Ready to do the video, okay?
Okay.
What's up, Backyard Barbecue? It's Barbecue. This your boy, Mr. B, and this is Miles, and we are the Backyard Barbecue team, man, or part of it. The other one's down in Southern Florida and Puerto Rico. But anyway, we here today, man. We're gonna mess around with some steaks today. We're gonna do I'll give you the seasoning and I'll put it in the comments as well. But we're gonna use salt, pepper, and garlic. And then on one, because the missus want truffle. So if you ever been to a restaurant you had steak with truffle on it, we doing it today, right? So I'm gonna give you the ingredients that we put on there. I should have recorded me making it because I did it from scratch. But I'll put the ingredients on how to make the truffle, and then I'll show you what it look like when it's done. Y'all stay tuned. Nobody likes steak?
Yeah.
You like steak?
Yeah.
Me too. All right. So y'all stay tuned. We'll be back, y'all. We're about to put these steaks on the grill and show you what they look like.
No, let me talk to him.
You want to talk to him?
Mm-hmm.
What you gonna say? Look at the camera. What
I need a backyard because everybody that sent me a suitcase for me.
A suitcase? What they got to do with the backyard?
My sister.
Anyway, we'll be back, y'all.
I'm backwards.
What's backwards?
Right there, I'm going to see it.
You want to see it? You love yourself, don't you? Boy, crazy. Hey, y'all, we back, man. We're going to go ahead and throw these steaks on. This one right here is with the truffle. You can tell the difference in the seasoning. I don't know if y'all can see it, but we're going to take it out and give you a close-up. But let me go ahead and put these on, man. The missus in there starving.
I want to get out.
Huh?
I want to get out.
Ain't nothing like that sizzle. And I'm going to tell y'all a little story, right? Let you down. Jump down. Hold my bags. Hold my bags. No, hold them. Hold them. Let me put the top on and then we'll talk. Oh, I said I was going to give y'all a close-up.
Hey, Daddy, you got one more here.
All right, y'all. Here's that close-up. This is the one, the biggest one is the one with the truffle on there. We're going to see how it do. All right, y'all stay tuned. All right, we back, man. We taking a quick break, man. Steak don't take that long. I usually cook it around 145-ish. You know, that's where she likes it, in between there. What? I'm talking to the world, man. Check it out. Say, hey, Backyard Barbecuers.
Hey, Backyard.
Yeah.
Nobody likes Backyard.
Hey, what's up, Backyard Barbecuers, man? We back. Hey, I figured I'd bring this out. This is a tool that I use probably every video. You may not see it, but I use it in every video. This is my Fabrication 4. What this does is, I open it, and you can do it even in the side, whatever. Open it, you stick it in the meat. It's got a temperature thing on. This one don't have a light on there. That's how old this one is. Actually it do. My bad. I used to have a Fabrication 3 that didn't have a light on. Fabrication 4 has a light.
Yeah.
I done had this thing about 10 years.
Yeah.
Older than you.
Yeah.
On the same battery. That's how long they last, so get you one.
Yeah.
Fabrication, if you watching this, send your boy something, because I'm giving y'all a shout out for the free.
I want to talk to him.
You want to talk to YouTube?
Yeah.
What you gonna tell him?
The stories that do with it.
All your stories?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Save them. Save them for another day. And then I'll just let you talk to him. How about that? All right?
You talk to him.
I'm talking to him now. But anyway, y'all, we'll be back with the finished product. All right, ladies and gents, man, we about to check these temperatures on these steaks, man. Let's see here. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, these steaks looking good, y'all. This boy want to do everything, y'all. Hey, he can't be Lil B, because Lil B is Big B now. He's in another city. He's doing HVAC. For those of you, I salute you guys if y'all doing that. Good Lord of mercy. That's your steak now. All right.
Good.
Yep. We're gonna let it cook. Good job. We'll be back with the finished product, y'all. All right, my good people, we back, man. I'm gonna give y'all a little short finish on this, and I promise I'm gonna put the ingredients on how you make the truffle, and I'll give you my opinion on it. I'm not a fan of truffle, but it is what it is. If you got that money, then you heard of truffle. If you ain't, you heard of salt, pepper, and garlic. Everything over here is salt, pepper, and garlic. This is truffle. That's for the missus. That's what she wanted. This guy here. Hey, let me show him your suitcase real quick. All right. Little man just got a suitcase. He can ride on, y'all. He wanted to show YouTube, so there y'all go. All right, go ride. All right. Anyway, this your boy, Mr. B from Backyard Barbecue. One of them quick meals, man. It took me 15 minutes to probably do. Maybe 10 minutes to light the grill. That's why I keep that little small Weber. I'll put the link to that one in the description as well, man, if y'all interested in it. And I'll see y'all later. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share them videos. Holla at your boy. We're getting busy.